Everyday Superpower, where we talk relationship, body language, game, everything in between. Today I'm going to teach you how to pacify anyone. I'm going to teach you how to diffuse anyone. I'm going to teach you how to become friends with anybody. And I'm going to teach you how to become an effective speaker. I could emphasize it more as to how I'm talking now. And I'm going to teach you how you can emphasize it more. So, talk about the palms of the hands. When you expose the palms of the hands, subconsciously you create a calm and a comfort in the person you're speaking to. So if I'm speaking like this, such as what public speakers do, right? Good, effective communicators, they will speak with what we call illustrators. They'll move their hands about, they'll be a little more animated, and they won't do it like this. They won't trudge around like this, palm down in an oppressive sort of manner, which we'll do a separate video on. They'll do it with palms up more than likely, palms exposed, showcasing the world that they haven't got weaponry, which is the real biological hardwiring of this behavior. And in doing so, they will subconsciously influence the audience to like them. Such as, if you're at a job interview and you're there, you've got your palms out, you're speaking like this, you're speaking like that, and there's a big difference between this and hands under the table, outside of the way, in your pockets, out of the way, where that person's not going to be listening to the message you're communicating. They're going to think, where the hell are his hands? When we started to walk upright from all fours in our revolutionary days, our hands became weapons, right? And our brains developed a different pathway, different system to subconsciously pay attention to hands. So we are always paying attention to the hands of others because it's a matter of life or death. And survival is rule number one, alright? Bada bing, bada bum. Make complete sense? I could leave it at that. That's some good game. When you're being honest, you say, it wasn't me. That's an honest behaviour. People who are lying generally don't act on such impulse like that unless they know how to do it and what it signifies, but people don't. So that's an honest behaviour. Can I put my hand on heart? When you're speaking the oath in American terms, you know, if you're in court or so forth and you have to tell the truth, you raise your hand, you raise your palm. Okay? When you wave, I am your friend, I am friendly, hello. There we go, symbolic. In the Roman days, we would hide blades in our sleeves so people would handshake, and in doing so, they would hold on to the wrists of the hands to see if there was weaponry. That's where handshakes came from. It's a symbol of friendship and companionship via checking that that person isn't threatening. So when we showcase we're not threatening and we don't have weaponry, it's the same symbol as to what it was all that time ago. That's some serious game. When you're there dating and you're with a beautiful woman and whatnot, you want to give her open palm gestures, okay? That's the way it needs to be. Have your palms exposed, not in an uncomfortable manner, and don't explain to her why you're doing this. She's not even going to know. You're just going to be chilled out with your hand out, you know what I mean, exposing the palms of your hand, and she's going to feel comfortable with you, and she's going to wonder why. But imagine if your hands were concealed, if your hands were oppressive and down and facing flat on the table and whatnot. That it's going to do the counter opposite. Then people are going to look at you. She's going to look at you with a discomfort, thinking, what's going on here? Because you're concealing what could be used as weapons, right? When we have a fist, the palms are completely concealed. You can't see the palms because the upper hand takes complete control, and now you are a potential threat. And we don't want to be threatening people. We want to make people feel comfortable. And then people will surround us and we'll create great communities and we'll garner power, attention, anything you want. Yeah, it's all part of this nonverbal game. That's deep game. That's a quick one. I'm signing out on that. I got game each and every day. Click like and subscribe. You know how it is. 2 links down in the description of the video. One will take you through to my catalogue of body language, where you learn how to read people through their subconscious behaviours, free of charge. It's on YouTube. Second is the Patreon, where you'll watch me watching real dates. I'll pause and break down all of the attraction cues, all of the repulsion cues. You'll take it into the real world. You'll see it manifest around you. You'll become Casanova. You won't learn it elsewhere. Boom. I'm signing out.